are you? Today we are going to take up Unit 1 from Marigold Class 4th, and the poem would be Wake Up. Looking at this, let's read and recite Wake Up. Wake up, wake up. Will you sing along with me after waking up? Okay, get ready, get started. 1, 2, 3, start. Wake up, wake up. It's a lovely day. Oh, please get up and come and play. The birds are singing in the sky, and you can hear the buzzing bees. Wake up, wake up. Come on. Wake up, wake up. It's a lovely day. Oh, please get up and come and play. The birds are singing in the trees, and you can hear the buzzing bees. Wake up, wake up. Come on. Wake up, wake up. It's a lovely day. Oh, please get up and come and play. It's much too late to lie in bed, so hurry up, you sleepy head. Wash and dress, and come on out. Everyone is up and about. The cows, the horses, the ducks, and the sheep, the tiniest chickens. Cheep, cheep, cheep. Wake up. Once again. Wake up, wake up. It's a lovely day. Oh, please get up and come and play. The birds are singing in the sky. Wake up, wake up. It's a lovely day. So, beginning these new words and looking at each and every word, children, and spelling them around loudly. Lovely, lovely. Come on, repeat it 3 times. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Next, buzzing, 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 buzzing. Yes. Sleepy, 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 sleepy. Head, sleepy head, sleepy head. It's a single and same word. Sleepy and head. Sleepy head, sleepy head, sleepy head. sleepy, sleepy, head, head, sleepy head. Tiniest, 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 tiny, tinier, tiniest. That's a superlative degree of tiny. tiniest, tiniest means very small. Tiniest means very small. Sleepy head, Soturam. Buzzing, buzz like the honeybees do, buzzing around, making honeys. Lovely, pyara. So these are the new words. Look into their meanings also, write their meanings. Try to make sentences using all of these new words. Lovely, buzzing, sleepy head, and tiniest. Looking at these beautiful pictures here, E. Fletcher is the poet of this beautiful poem. Wake up. When you get up early in the morning, and you are sleeping, your mom says, "Get up, beta, it's time." Tring, tring, tring. The alarm goes, and you have to get up in the morning. And some of them, are very happy. Wow, you take a yawn and get up. Look at this little honeybee buzzing around on the flowers. Wow, these beautiful flowers also bloom early in the morning, and there are many animals who are already awake before we do. This is a lamb. I think she's Mary. Have you heard that poem? Mary had a little lamb, her fleece was white as snow. So this is a lamb, reminding me of that poem. And now looking at the more pretty and beautiful pictures, going back to this. Wow, you can see the sun early in the morning. The sun is shining, and this bird and this horse in the shed is also ready to come out to share this beautiful world. When you get up, you're excited. The swan has taken bath already. Can you see these drops of water? And these beautiful flowers have also bloomed. Look at this cute little blue little bird, all ready to face this beautiful day which has come a long way after a big huge sleep. And now this is a squirrel. 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 It also runs. It's awake in the morning. Before we all get up, this little chirpy bird is chirping and saying, "Wake up, wake up. Come out to play." And this boy, he's heard them calling him, "Wake up, wake up. It's a lovely day." So this boy is jumping around. He's happy to come out and play with these beautiful animals around you, these beautiful nature. Look at these birds, swan, pond, flowers. Everybody in the morning is so fresh, and it's a beautiful day. So children, wake up early in the morning, because it's said that early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. So wake up, wake up. It's a lovely day. Oh, please get up and come and play. The birds are singing in the trees, and you can hear the buzzing bees. Yes, children. So get ready to face this beautiful, wonderful day. And with this, we say goodbye to see you in our next video. Till then, get up early and stay healthy, fit and fine for the whole day. Bye.